Hi everyone, welcome to day 23 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges. Now today it's all about kids' toys. Now while I don't have children and there are no children's toys in my house, I've worked with families so much that I have a 3-step surefire way for decluttering kids' toys. This is how it works. Number 1, bring your kids together with their toys and ask them to pick their 5 favourite toys. Set them aside. Then ask your children to identify 5 toys or more that they would be happy giving to children who are less well off than themselves. And you might be surprised at how generous your kids are. Then you need to get your kids out of the space and be the parent. You then need to gather together toys the kids no longer use, toys that are broken, toys that are not any longer age appropriate, and those toys get them quietly out of the house. Now, obviously don't throw all the toys away, but reduce the toys to the amount of space you've decided to dedicate to them and make sure the toys live in one place. Kids' toys, you can do this. Start with your kids, but the big lesson is be the parent. Let's hear how you do.